All right, third, fourth, and fifth grade. In order to access the Hour of Code links for the activities for today, I've linked all three of your options in Schoology. So you need to go to courses and click on my course, whichever one that is. For this video, I'm just going to choose Mr. Evenson's class. For all of you, the folder looks the same and is the same color and contains the same links. I've made the folder black. It says Hour of Code. If you click on it, you will see the three choices. Your three choices are The Grinch, Saving Christmas with Code, Candy Quest, or Mystery Island Coding Quest. Please choose one and work all the way through until you receive your Hour of Code button or badge at the end, and it says you've completed the Hour of Code. Please do not skip around. If you do finish the one that you have chosen before it is time to leave for the day, you may choose a different one and begin that one. The directions are included in the link, so you should be able to plug in, listen to the directions, follow them, and proceed. This is why you brought headphones with you today. If you don't have headphones, you'll need to get those from class. If your headphones are broken or you don't have any, you will need to listen with the volume down very far. It should be practically silent in this class during the Hour of Code today. Have fun, enjoy yourself, and I'll see you on Wednesday.